creating a form, right? We're doing a front end kind of design. What did I say you must do? Go and create a project, right? Give it a name. What name did I say you must give it? Let me call mine logout because I already have something called login. Log out. And I will press finish. How fast is this? Then from there, what did I say? I said on your source packages, there will be this file, isn't it? The one we used to work on. This is a back-end file. This is coding. I don't want to code right now. I want to show you something interesting in the front end. I say right-click on this source package and go to the option called what? You are not answering. First is new, and then we said new what? JFrame form. It will bring you here where you are supposed to give it a name, right? I'll give it the same name, log out. Okay, already exists. Log out F, this will be for form. The issue will be because you are talking. Now you say I'm too fast. You are talking with your friend. What are you asking? Where did I click? But I'm screaming it. It's even displayed there. What did we press? Did we press cancel or finish? Finish. Then you say I'm fast. Are you here? Now, here it's where we can start designing our login form, right? You see, people are talking. When you say I'm fast, it's because you're assisting your friend, and by the time you come back to your computer, I'm in step number 10. Are you here? Yes. Then why are you talking to your friend? Now, on the left-hand side, right-hand side, in fact, there are some stuff sitting in a category called palette. Can you see this stuff? Huh? Yes. You sure? Can you scroll and see all of them? You are able to see, ne? What can you name one of the things you are seeing there? Eh? Combo box. Okay. Now, I want you to go and pick up something called a label. Do you know how to pick up something? Just hold it and take it and drop it on this box that has been given to you. Like that. Someone will say I'm fast. Did you do it? Yes. Go take another one. Another label. Do the same thing. Just put it underneath nicely here. Did you confirm that you have done it? Yes. Now go take something called a text field and put it next to the first label that you put. Like that. Are you following? Now go scroll down, find something called password field. Can you find it? Are you finding password field? Take the password field and drop it just opposite the J label 2. Like that. At the end, your things should look like this. Am I fast? Eh? Are you following? Now let's design this so that it looks proper. For example, if you click once, don't double click. Click once the first label that you dropped. It will be highlighted as you can see on my screen. Then look at your right hand side. There is something called J label 1 properties. Are you able to see those properties? Yes. If you scroll on those properties, there is a property which is written in bold called text. Are you finding it? Yes. I want you to change the text from being called J label 1 and call it username. You got that? Once you are done with username, you can even press the button enter on your keyboard or just go back and click anywhere here once. The text will change and it will be called what? Username, right? Do the same for J label 2, but call this one password. So you click it and you go on the side, you scroll down until you find the text You change it from being called JLabel to, you call it what now? Password. Like that. Do you see we're getting somewhere?
Yes.
Now, I want you to click the first text field, right? And go to its text and remove the text. Don't let it have any text. Remove all of the text. And do the same for the password field. Click it and go to the text and remove the text. At the end, your situation ends up looking very funny like this. Are you following? Now you're gonna click the first text field and increase its size. And also click the second text field, which is the password field, and increase its size. You followed, right? After that, you can just play around, moving them and making them maybe look nicer. Maybe you want your form size not to be this big. You see what I'm doing? This doesn't require any magic. Don't say I moved fast. No magic needed here. Like that. I will prefer mine like that. Did you follow that scenario? How difficult was it? Very difficult, ne? You're about to die then. Let's check if ever these things look nice. What we're supposed to do, click the file which has the form. Remember, it's this one. Mine is being called logout F. And right click it and say, now you're going to say I'm moving fast because you're not listening. To see the results of what we've done, right click on the file and say run the file, right? Like that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what we've been designing. Can you relate? Have you ever seen something like this somewhere in your life? This is how it was designed. Isn't programming nice? It's nice, eh? You can check it out. You can check it out. It works. It's just that it doesn't do anything. Oh, and my PC has a tendency of switching on. It's just that it doesn't do anything. You can see. But I'm sure you have seen such a situation somewhere in your life. Right? And you have had to do this. Now,